Okay, ready?
Welcome to season 13 of Lazy Gecko Sailing.
Are we talking about the same thing here?
We're taking you back to the islands, baby.
You guys ready to go back?
Yeah, let's go. But first, we'll have to get everyone back to the boat.
So now I'm all excited.
Today, you'll see what I'm excited about.
On the last leg of this little summer extravaganza.
And we'll drive this beast back to Florida.
It actually looks pretty good. This is like stained.
It's time to get everything sorted out to go cruise. Let's do it.
Okay, ready?
He's your surgeon.
I got you covered. Now, we know that this stuff is extremely poisonous to the layperson.
Stretching my leg is. It's a great idea. It's like play.
No, if Jeremiah, as we call him in Italy, dies.
Aww,
in here. A little something for you.
So if you went on a guy's trip, you'd survive because John would be there.
Like, I got you.
I just show up with deodorant wherever I go. If it doesn't work on the women I pick up, it'll work on any sort of bleeding lesions.
Yeah, we needed Captain Johnny.
You would have grabbed it and just gobbed it on his head.
Yeah, it's like, no, it's one of those things. Reese, you're gonna be fine. Lay on the ground. The best part is you won't stink while you die. You smell like a summer's eve.
We started at John's, the whole summer trip.
This is the towel I got him. Oh my gosh, he's gonna be so embarrassed. This is the towel I got John last Christmas.
And now we've ended at John's.
Yeah. I'm the beginning and the end.
And now we just need you somewhere in the middle.
Wait,
Oh, wait, that sounds...
what? Are we talking about the same thing here?
I'm
Hold on, I
sorry.
need a little bit more deodorant.
Oh my god, that came out wrong.
Yes, that definitely came out wrong. We enjoyed the remainder of the evening with cocktails and watching thousands of birds migrate.
Keep clapping. This is not how we normally live, but today we're living like this.
Back on our RV here, just in time for the bed to break. Again.
This is only your third or fourth try.
Well,
Third.
nothing's working, so I went and got some 2-part epoxy.
Reese broke our bed.
No, I didn't.
When we put the bed up to fold the slides in, I think somebody pushes a little too hard.
It's harder for me because I'm lighter.
Broke down here, and we've tried a couple different glues, cement, different things. Finally, we're trying epoxy, so.
They use on F-18, so.
Oh, they
should
do?
help. Yeah.
If it keeps an F-18 together, I'm sure it'll keep our RV bed together.
We hope.
So the RV is a little torn apart.
That's okay. The epoxy worked like a charm. Good job, guys. It's time to roll on.
So now I'm all excited. I'm gonna run into the store and then we'll be getting on the road. I can't wait to be back in my bikinis on the boat and working on those tan lines or no tan lines. I can't decide what's better. People are like, oh, I love tan lines. And other people are like, oh, no tan lines. So I'm like, I think I end up with ultimately like no tan lines.
Nothing wrong with that. Time to run some errands. Back to the RV, and Jeremiah had us ready to go. I'll miss this little adventure, but I'm so looking forward to relaxing on board our floating home.
We are on the last leg of this little summer extravaganza in the RV. Headed back to Florida and to see Calypso. You guys ready to go home?
You ready, Reese? Yeah. Reese is ready. I'm not. No, I gotta get the boat ready, and then we're going to go to the Annapolis Boat Show.
Yeah.
That's cool. We have a couple weeks, and then we'll do some things to the boat. You know, hurricane season will be ending soon after the Annapolis Boat Show. We want to get out of there, so I have to do that stuff now. So booking on all kinds of electronics upgrades, you know, all the normal stuff, and then finding what broke while we were sitting.
Yeah.
And then we'll be out of there.
Plus we need things like dental routine stuff that we need to take care of, right?
I'm not getting my prostate checked again.
Who's not gonna get his prostate checked one day? He might regret
you can
that.
check it.
No thanks. Oh my gosh. I think we've been moving too much and I'm feeling a little overwhelmed. I need to like sit and do nothing for a little bit.
Honey, can you see that way? We're good.
Yeah, you're good.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
XXL wide load.
We're also thinking about selling the RV and downgrading to like a toy hauler type thing. So we'll see how that goes too.
I won't jinx us. It's been really good. We just want to sell it before things start to go bad.
The boat's our primary little adventure. This was fun for the baby and worked really well as a home. And it was really beautiful and enjoyable, but it might be time for something else.
We have trouble sitting still, so I wouldn't be surprised if we switched it up.
Guys, I see the ocean.
Yeah.
How does it feel to be home?
Good.
Really, when I say we're home, the ocean's our home. Thank you for doing all the driving, honey.
We're parking the RV at a spot just a few miles from the marina, while the adults get the boat ready for the entire family to arrive.
Just got back to the boat. The kids and Jeremiah stayed at the RV, and I'm gonna take today and kind of clean it up. It actually looks pretty good. I always do a really good job at leaving it. I'll probably take today, tomorrow to do that. This is just random stuff that needs to go back outside. Outside's pretty shiny and clean. Everything else is pretty tidy. I mean, for the most part, we don't leave it messy. The kitchen will be a little bit more to wipe down, but that's it. And then I need to get in Bryn's room, but I can't do that without Jeremiah. So it looks pretty good. I was in here cleaning the shower. That looks disgusting. And all of a sudden the pump was like, dun, dun, dun. Yeah. So I can't pump out the water. Our shower pump shit itself. I mean, I got everything clean in here except for the floor, and I went to go empty out the water to do the floor, and all this stuff started coming up. I imagine just sitting there gunk. Probably a lot of bacteria in that. That's gross. So I'm gonna have to tell Jeremiah about that, which really sucks. But I got this whole side of the hall clean. For the most part. I mean, those are just my clothes that I was wearing earlier. She's looking good. And as long as you don't look too low, you won't see the disgusting water on the floor. Probably have like another hour I could spend here, and then I'll have to come back either later today or tomorrow, just because Bryn needs to eat, and she eats baby food, but this is her hydration right here. So I'll need to go home and hydrate the baby. I'll do another hour, do the salon, and then maybe go get the kids, go feed her, and come back or something like that. Just grabbed some lunch from Publix. My goodness, I love that place. I got the little boy some chicken balls. I call them chicken balls. They're actually popcorn chicken. Not gonna lie, I ate some of them. They don't know I'm here. I'm gonna sneak in. We'll see if it's a disaster. Shh. Stop now! Oh. There's the first one. What have you been doing?
Keeping Bryn occupied.
For Dad?
Yeah.
You got a great view.
Yeah.
It's beautiful out there. Hi, Brinzy. I got you some chicken balls. Yay! You been playing with Barbara? Okay. You're a woman of few words, Bryn.
We put on her little Fleetwood Mac shirt.
Oh, I love it. Oh, you're stylish.
Yeah,
you're
she's
missing
a little
button.
Stevie Nicks today.
Woo-wee, yeah! Kids and I came down to the boat to finish cleaning. We got Bryn here on the ground feeding her some yummy baby food, and Reese is just kind of helping and playing with his toys that he hasn't seen in so long. And Jeremiah is at the RV, nice and quiet, finishing up the video. And then I think I'll finish up today, and then we'll be able to bring stuff on tomorrow, hopefully, which will be nice. We're using the good old outdoor boat cushions for baby gates. That's what we're doing right now, but she's not really messing with them. She's pretty good on the ground here with her toys. The fridge was nasty. I wish I took before video footage of it. It probably still looks nasty to you, but it's a whole lot better. This is like stained mold. I don't know. I think we need a new fridge. And then the whole fridge was like covered in this stuff, but this part I can't get off. I don't know what's going on in here, but it's pretty awful. Reese says we need a new fridge.
We can't get them though.
You can't just go to the store and buy it. It's like custom. We need to find somebody to help us figure it out.
We're almost there. A few final items and we'll store the RV and move back aboard Calypso for good. We've all missed the boat, but I'm sure we'll miss the RV as well.
We're all packed up, ready to go. We got all our stuff that we want to bring to the boat, but it's pouring out there. We are at the storage unit right now where the RV goes. So we're sitting in here waiting for the storm to clear.
Just washing off that salt water.
Yeah.
Right from the ocean.
Just
And all the love bugs.
Yeah, it's actually like a really nice car wash. Oh, what did you guys think of our little RV trip across the country?
I had a lot of fun. It was really amazing to see all those races and, you know, all the different places we went. And it was beautiful. All right.
We packed the Jeep up with all our stuff. We were able to fit it underneath the overhang, and now we're headed to the Bizote. Calypso.
Thank you, naughty sailors, for keeping us safe and showing us so many wonderful destinations. Coming up,
So we just took the long ass drive to Miami. I'm just excited to be in a hotel, to be honest with you.
we'll pick up Calypso's water maker,
In the freshwater flush mode.
and you'll get a class on it from the best in the business.
What did you think of the boat show?
It was good! Then we're off for Annapolis.
I was the one that got to let her experience the boat show with me.
Okay.
Did you put that on YouTube?
Jeremiah will get belligerent. Then we'll take our patrons sailing.
Okay, lock her in.
We're taking you aboard Calypso's sister ship, Ohana. Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.